Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivra Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 3, a trip to Bhopal, and today's topic is word problems. Okay students, today's topic is word problems. Dear students, please open page number 23. Page number 23. Okay. Now let's start. Question number 17. Question number 17 is, in a town 36,000 persons go to work. Among them, 9,120 persons travel by car. 20,140 by bus. 1,513 by cycle, and the rest go on foot. Okay, students, how many persons go to work on foot? How many persons go to work on foot? Okay, since in this question here given that in a town 36,000 persons go to work. Okay, how many persons? Yes, 36,000 persons go to work. Among them, 9,120 persons travel by car. 20,140 persons travel by bus. 1,513 travel by cycle, and the rest go on foot. Okay, students, in this question here we find that the total number of persons go to work on foot. Okay, dear students, if we have to add this and this, then after we have to subtract the adding result from 36,000, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, students, now let's start the solution of question number 17. Look, firstly we have to take the addition of 9,120 plus 20,140 plus 1513. Okay, after adding these we get, look, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0 carry 1, okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. Understand? After adding these we get 30,773. Okay, distance, and again we have to subtract 30,773 from 36,000. Okay, after subtracting these we get the total number of persons go to work on foot. Understand? Okay, now let's start the subtraction. Look at here carefully. Here given are 0, 0, 0. In this, here we have to take one borrow from 6, and this 0 makes 10. Again we have to take one borrow from this 10, and this 0 makes 10. Again we have to take one borrow from this 10, and this 0 makes 10. Okay, then 10 minus 3 is 7, and here we get 9 in place of 10. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, again here we get 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, difference, and here we get 5 in place of 6. 5 minus 0 is 5, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, it means that 5,227. 5,227 persons go to work on foot. Okay, distance. It means that here we can write the total number of, then the answer is the total number of persons go to work on foot is equal to 5,227 persons. Okay, distance. This is the answer of this question. Understand? Okay. Dear students, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Now read this. Okay, distance. If any student have any doubt in chapter 3, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Now let's start question number 18. Question number 18. Look at here carefully. In this question here given that what number should be subtracted? What number should be subtracted from 62,000 932, 62,932, so that the difference is so that the difference is 12,894. 12,894. Okay, so in this question here given that what number should be subtracted from 62,932 so that the difference is 12,894. Okay, it means that distance here we have to take the subtraction of this and this, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, distance. It means that let us suppose that here we have to subtracted A from 62,932. Okay, suppose here we have to subtracted A from 62,932, then we get the difference is 12,894. Okay, distance. Okay, after replacing these, look at here carefully. 62,932, if we have to replace 12,894 in left side, then we take minus sign. Okay, is equal to, if we have to replace A from A on right hand side. Okay, if we have to replace minus A from left hand side to right hand side, then here we get A. Okay, after subtracting these we get the answer of this question. Okay, distance. It means that A is equal to, look, 62,932 minus 12,894. Okay, distance. After subtracting these we get the answer of this question. Okay, now let's start this subtraction. Here given that 2, here given that 3, here 9. Look at here carefully. Dear sons, we have to take one borrow from this 3 and this 2 makes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. And here we get 2 in place of 3. Then again we have to take one borrow from 9 and this 2 makes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. Here we get 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And here we get 0. And 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, it means that the answer is 50,038. Okay, distance. It means that if 50,038 should be subtracted from 62,932 so that the difference is 12,894. It means that if we have to take the subtraction of this and this, it means that 62,932 and 50,038, then we get the result is 12,894. Okay, understand? Then the answer is 50,038. Okay, distance. Now let's start. Next question. Dear students, look at here carefully. I repeat again this question. If we have to subtract this and this, then we get the answer of this question. Understand? It means that if we have to subtract 12,894 from 62,932, then we get the answer of this question. Clear? Okay. Now read this. Now let's start last question of this chapter. Question number 18. Question number 19. Look. Question number 19. In this question here given that there are 20,870 female teachers and 6,729 male teachers in a state what is the total number of teachers? What is the total number of teachers in the state? In the state. Okay, students. In this question, we are given that there are 20,870 female teachers, okay, and 6,729 male teachers, okay, in the state. What is the total number? This one is here given that total. It means that we have to add, to take the addition of this and this. It means that here we have to take the addition of this and this. After adding these, we get the total number of teachers in the state. Okay. Now let's start the solution. This is very simple question. In this question here we have to take the addition of 20,870 and 6,729. Okay. So the total number of teachers in the state is equal to, here we have to take the addition of 20,870 plus 6,729. After adding these, we get 0 plus 9 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 7 is 15 of 5 carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, and here we get 2 as same. Okay, students, it means that the total number of teachers in the state is 27,500 599. Okay. Okay, dear students. Dear students, please write given questions in your math fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? Okay. Thank you.